Now we're in the dashboard. I have the Pro version here. I'm gonna run the old version of the map, and okay, now we have the state names. I'm gonna zoom into New York here. Let's switch the variable to something a little more interesting. Yeah, let's see. Median household income, okay. And let's, okay, so this is good enough. All right, so now if we want to export an image with the tracked codes displayed, we'll have to turn on the tracked code labels. And that is done by going to map layers and scrolling down to labels. Show census tract labels. Once I click this on, there we go. Okay, so now that we have the track codes on, I can export an image. And here I can set my boundaries of the image, and I can also change the zoom scale, so I can go down to the street level. This is going to be a 28 megapixel image export. I'll do the print 288 dpi, and I'll do the PNG. And now if I click on export, it will take a little bit of time to export. We'll just hang in there a little bit, and once this completes, it will just download. Let's see. Okay. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna click on open, and there we go. Now this is a high resolution image, so if I click on view actual size, you see we have we see the buildings and street names and tracked codes, of course, are here. And that is how you export an image with census tract codes on the image.